Today, we're going to build a Federation Daedalus Class Starship using 20 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
To build the body of our Daedalus, we're going to start with 3 round 2x2 bricks. And we're going to put those round bricks together like this to create the body. And I don't like that open end there, so I'm getting a boat stud. Now I'm using dark gray because when I found out when building this is that light gray in this piece is actually kind of rare. So you probably only have a dark gray, but if you've got a light gray, use it. I mean, be more consistent with your colors. But there's the hull of our Daedalus Federation Daedalus Class cruiser. Now the next thing we're going to do is kind of bring out the front here, and to bring out the front we're going to grab 2 of these 1x1 round plates and just put it there on the what will be the bottom stud. And now on these side studs we're going to grab these robot arms, and we're going to put those robot arms on the side and kind of tilt them up diagonally like this. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of like smooth this out, and the way we're going to smooth that out is we're going to use these kind of pie shaped tile pieces or half circle tile pieces, quarter tile pieces, and what you're going to do is you're going to put it so that the pointy end on the bottom one goes up, so you see how it points to the bottom and or the top and the middle, and that's going to be our guide. So now we put the other ones on top of these robot arms. You're going to want it so that those pie pieces kind of connect like this to make a solid wall. And now ideally there would be like a little light here, but that just wasn't possible in this micro scale and to get the smoothness. Now we've got this front top stud here, and for that we're going to create the bridge of our starship. And to do that we're going to get one of these 3L bars, usually like a magic wand size bar, and a 1x1 round plate with hole in the stud. You're going to put that plate into one side of our bar like this, and then on the other side of the bar we are going to get a round Lego ball here, Technic ball, and just stick the bar into the hole in the back, and now we've kind of got the bridge of our starship. And now we're just going to put that 1x1 round plate into that top stud like this, and we've got the front of our Daedalus Class Starship. Now to create the engines, I've got these robot arms sticking up. What we're going to do is going to grab another 3L bar, and on the 3L bar I'm going to put it into a lightsaber hilt, and here we've got the smooth end of the lightsaber hilt. That's where I'm going to put my 3L bar, right here. I'm kind of extending out my engine. And then if you look at the Daedalus, they've got this kind of like orange light in the front. So for that I'm going to use one of these gold or kind of gold colored tile pins and put that on top of the lightsaber hilt where those bars are. And I'm doing that to kind of hide the bars and make it look more smooth. But here's the engine to our Daedalus cruiser. What I'm going to do is now with that robot arm, the clip, I'm going to put it right here as far up on the lightsaber hilt as I can, and we've got one engine. And of course we are going to do that 2 times, but after you do that we've got a completed Daedalus Class Starship from the Federation of Planets.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.